Imagine this, waking up every morning without the pressure of an alarm clock. You have the freedom to spend your day however you please. Want to travel the world, pursue your passions, or simply relax? Early retirement makes it possible. Many people believe that early retirement is only for the wealthy, but the truth is, anyone can achieve it with the right strategy. It's not about how much money you make, but how you invest it. This is where index funds come in. Index funds are like low-cost, diversified baskets of stocks. They allow you to invest in the entire stock market with a single purchase. This makes them an incredibly efficient and effective way to build wealth for the long term. The beauty of early retirement is that it gives you back your most valuable asset, time. Time to spend with loved ones, pursue your passions, or simply enjoy the freedom of not being tied to a job. And the sooner you start, the sooner you can turn this dream into your reality. Why are index funds the ideal vehicle for early retirement? Let's break it down. Imagine trying to pick individual stocks that will outperform the market. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. Most professional stock pickers fail to beat the market consistently. Index funds, on the other hand, simply track the market. They don't try to outsmart it. This simplicity is their strength. Index funds offer broad diversification, spreading your risk across hundreds or even thousands of stocks. They also have incredibly low fees, which means more of your money stays invested and working for you. But the real magic of index funds lies in the power of compounding. Compounding is like earning interest on your interest. Over time, even small amounts of money can grow exponentially. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. The same principle applies to your investments. The earlier you start investing in index funds, the more time your money has to compound and the faster your wealth grows. It's like giving your money a head start on the road to financial freedom. Let's talk about why starting early is so crucial. Imagine two friends, Sarah and Mike, both wanting to retire early. Sarah starts investing $5,000 per year in an index fund at age 25. Mike, on the other hand, waits until he's 35 to start investing the same amount. Assuming an average annual return of 7%, who do you think will have more money at age 65? You guessed it, Sarah. Despite investing for 10 fewer years, the power of compounding works its magic. Sarah's early start gives her a significant advantage, and she ends up with a much larger nest egg than Mike. Starting early allows you to take advantage of the magic of compounding. The sooner you begin, the less you'll need to save overall to reach your retirement goals. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. Even if you can only invest a small amount right now, don't let that discourage you. The most important step is simply to start. Section 4. Building your index fund portfolio, a simple guide. So you're ready to start building your index fund portfolio. Great, it's much simpler than you might think. First, you need to choose a brokerage account. There are many reputable online brokerages available, often with user-friendly interfaces and helpful resources for beginners. Look for a brokerage with low fees and a wide selection of index funds. Next, you'll need to decide which index funds to invest in. A good starting point is a low-cost, broad market index fund, like one that tracks the S&P 500. This type of fund gives you exposure to 500 of the largest U.S. companies, providing instant diversification. As you become more comfortable, you can consider adding other index funds to your portfolio. For example, you might add an international stock index fund to diversify geographically, or a bond index fund to provide a bit more stability. Remember, the key is to keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things by trying to pick individual stocks or time the market. Stick to your plan and let the power of compounding do its work. Section 5. Staying disciplined, weathering market storms. Investing can be an emotional roller coaster. The market goes up, the market goes down. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and make impulsive decisions. That's why it's crucial to stay disciplined and stick to your long-term plan. One of the best ways to do this is to practice dollar cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market fluctuations. When the market is down, you'll buy more shares at a lower price. When the market is up, you'll buy fewer shares at a higher price. Over time, this strategy helps you average out the cost of your investments. Another important aspect of staying disciplined is avoiding emotional reactions to market volatility. It's normal to feel anxious when the market takes a dip, but remember, investing is a long game. Short-term fluctuations are normal and should not derail your long-term strategy. Resist the urge to panic sell when the market drops. Remember why you're investing in the first place: to build long-term wealth and achieve financial freedom. Section 6. The rewards of patience, living life on your terms. Investing in index funds for early retirement is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Imagine the freedom of knowing you don't have to work for someone else for the rest of your life. You'll have the time and resources to pursue your passions, travel the world, spend quality time with loved ones, or simply enjoy the simple things in life. Early retirement is not just about financial freedom. It's about life freedom. It's about having the flexibility to design your ideal life and spend your time in ways that are meaningful to you. And the best part is, it's achievable for anyone willing to embrace the power of index funds, start early, and stay disciplined. So take control of your financial future today. Start investing in index funds, be patient, and watch as your wealth grows, bringing you closer to the freedom and fulfillment of early retirement.